Hi, Karim. Thank you for your talk today. What was the key message of your presentation?
Well, the key message of my presentation, I guess, was to raise awareness in the audience about the fact that increasing predictability and our capacity to predict things, as many people are doing right now, for instance, when we look at predictive toxicology, does not, under all circumstances, not necessarily lead to better decision-making processes.
And can you explain why that's the case? I mean, do we need more data to have better decisions?
No, more data might help, but it's not sufficient to make better decisions. And the reason is that whenever we make a decision, that involves a value judgment. Okay? So I made the example of prenatal genetic diagnostics, where you can really see that an increase in our predictive capacities has happened over the past year. So we are now able to predict many things that we were not able to predict a few years ago, but that does not necessarily make our decision making easier when it comes to decisions that we have to make when we got the result of a prenatal diagnostic test.
So basically what you're saying, knowing more doesn't necessarily make it easier to find the right decisions. Is that correct?
Exactly.
And so can you give some advice? How can we make good decisions?
Well, I think we should, while we are increasing our predictability and our capacities to predict things, we should at the same time make sure that we engage in discussions about the values that might lead us in decision-making processes. And I think that's very important also when you look at food toxicology or environmental toxicology in general.
So values like, for example, the precautionary principle.
Of course, for example.
Great, thank you very much.
Thank you, Jane.